Let's learn with 3D studies. Alright. And you are on the platform of 3D studies. So we are today gonna to study about that. What are the electrons, protons and neutrons? And I know when you listen these names, electrons, protons and neutrons, as per the chapter of structure of the atom for class 9, your mind says and react like these question marks. Am I right? Yes. But when you study with 3D studies, your mind will blow like this bulb and you will say that everything, whatever you are teaching, I am getting, ma'am, very easily. So that is our prefix to tell you about very easiest form of everything of your chapter so you can get easiest way for every of the chapters. So let us begin with 3D studies about the electrons, protons and neutrons. So let us see that what are the stabilities about the electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom. I have told you, atom consists of sphere-like structure. In that, the orbit of the atom is simply your electrons, which consist of, children, listen my word very clearly, alright, that electrons stabilities in the atoms are of orbit, at the place of orbit, and listen, it consists of negatively charged particle with charge of -1. Hope so understand? And the stabilities of protons and neutrons, so at the middle it consists of your neutrons with no charge and protons with positively plus charge. Alright, now let us see what are the masses of electrons, protons and neutrons. So the mass for electrons is 0. Alright, now the mass for proton is 1U and the mass for neutron is 1U. Also, we'll see that who discovered the electrons, protons and neutrons. So we are knowing that its discovery of electrons are by J.J. Thompson. I am writing the name so you can write in your notebook that the discovery of electrons are said to us by J.J. Thompson. So I hope so you are understanding. Alright. Now, who discovered protons? This question is common and every of our class 9 student is knowing about that. That is you're knowing about the alpha particle. What was that? Yes, alpha particle. Somewhat discovery was there by Ernest Rutherford. So you are knowing about her name. Alright. Ernest Rutherford. Alright. Now the discovery of neutrons. What is that? Yes, it was discovered by James Chadwick. Alright, it was discovered by James Chadwick. Hope so you understand about all the subatomic particles and their masses. Alright, now I would like to tell you more about the masses for electrons because it have negligible mass, but the actual mass for electron is, let's say, different color so you can get easily. Alright, now the mass for electron is, write carefully everyone, 9.1 into 10 to the power 9.1 into 10 to the power -31. Don't forget minus because it is negatively charged particle. And after that I am writing again clearly 9.1 into 10 to the power -31 kg. Alright, now let us see the mass for proton, and the mass for proton is m is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power -27 kg. Alright, and listen, the mass for proton is -27. Don't say that it is a positively charged particle and you are writing 27, that is it, as a positively number. Don't do these mistakes. Alright. Be aware of these mistakes and don't do. Alright. The neutron's mass is same as protons, but yes, same as protons. 1.6 into 10 to the power -27 kg. Hope so you understand about the masses of electrons, protons and neutrons. And the charges which we have talked earlier also about -1, +1 and no charge on the neutron. More about the charges for electrons are, listen my word carefully, more about the charges on electrons is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Alright, and you need to learn these all. Alright, now the charge for protons are 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Alright, now the charge for neutron is cut. You say, ma'am, what is cut? It especially is no. Alright, so hopefully you understand about the subatomic particles of atom and what they include of. Okay, let's see further. Now we'll see about the Thompson model of an atom. Okay, so we are knowing atom is electrically neutral consisting of positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. So it is a discovery of Thompson, which tells us about that in the orbit there is the negatively charged particles, that are your electrons, and in the middle your neutrons are there. With that, it consists of positively charged called proton. And I told you about this earlier also. Alright, now the basic and interesting two main scientists, the Rutherford and Niels Bohr, who tell us about, Rutherford tell us about what we have discussed, and Niels Bohr tell us about the stabilities of atoms, means subatomic atoms. So we are seeing about the Niels Bohr's and Rutherford's all the atoms model, how they discover about that, and especially for Niels Bohr. So I'll be back with these videos, what I told you, and till that I want from you to subscribe the channel, as I'm new YouTuber for you and here for teaching you the most perfect and easiest way so you can get it easily. So I would like from you to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so you can get daily updates from me. And one thing more, one surprise for you all, that there is a playlist for toppers. Would you like to be a topper? Your answer will come, yes ma'am, you are jumping highly, and I really want that only from you all. Go in the playlist for toppers. You have there many mind maps, many tricks for your maps of India and other calculation related tips and tricks. So I would like from you all, go and watch right now and press the like button if you like my video. Thank you and bye-bye.